Welcome back, guys. This is another video of a gaming thing. I am back with my scamly friends. There we go.
First of all,
Look. You know
excuse
what?
you. How dare you steal our channel?
I'm back with my dirtiest friends, and we are here just to play some few rounds and see who gets to get killed first. I am back with Royal, Avatar, and Nashley coming through the scene.
Is that actually the goal, to see who dies first? Because I promise you I won't.
Baby, we shall see.
Just saying, I won't die first, so.
Girl, it's lovely how you picked this character because the way how your attitude is right now, she's doing it.
Yeah, she is me. Thanks. I'm things. And you're Meg. Dirty. Trifling.
Oh my. Girl,
I'll be back.
coming on with them things now. Oh my. Okay. So, the point of this game is that we need to fix a total of 5 generators in order to open up these gates, and there is this killer, and we just need to survive and hope for the best. I do believe I'm kind of leaning on Avatar because somehow Avatar has that weird luck on meeting the killer first.
He does. He does often meet the killer as well.
Truly, like, you don't understand. Every time we play with Avatar, the killer's right next to him.
You don't have to, because, you know, if we have a new player, it might be attracted to her, so.
She got the good hair, so that's why they really are into her.
My question is, have you been recording this whole time?
I'm recording now, boo boo.
I'm about to say, and you did that ASMR type of shit?
Oh no, But this is ASMR. I am showing you guys
ASMR on your
how to chew. So today, guys, we will be playing Dead by Daylight.
Oh, cute baby.
Oh my god, this is so juicy.
Shut up.
Ah!
Ew.
This is why people hate minorities. This is exactly why.
Oh wow!
Same. If you are the last survivor left alive, the hatch may be available as an alternate escape. Look for the hatch icon by the number of generators that need to be completed.
That's why I barely even say it, because the hatch is... You could barely find the hatch.
Oh, I find it all the time now.
I find it too. I mean, if you're that unlucky.
Yeah.
Oh, baby. I'm very unlucky.
We know. We can tell.
Okay,
Oh,
so...
Haven Records.
Oh, wow. My edges are...
I'm in the gas station.
Oh, baby girl, come through! Yes!
Of course! I'm the obsession. I love being obsessed. Boy, why are you so obsessed? No, joking, no. We cannot sing on this channel.
Come on, Ashley. Oh, yes,
Ew.
queen, come through!
Go away from me. Go away. This is...
So, were y'all all together and I was left alone?
Pretty much.
Listen, stop following me. You go that way.
Where do I go?
You go that way. No,
I'll go with you. That way.
no, that way. Go.
Of course! The killer's here! Of course!
Oh, I won!
It's, oh my god! It's the hillbilly! No!
You
Stop!
haven't seen him in a while.
Let me go! Decisive strike! Decisive strike! Leave me alone! I hate you! I stunned you!
Get him, hillbilly.
No!
Okay, guys, I found
You
this
redneck
Jenny.
bitch. Oh my god!
Hillbilly Bob Joe.
No.
No. Help me!
Girl, I am...
Oh god, did I lose him? Did I lose him?
Is he good?
Oh. Yo, he ran after me. Okay.
Royal, where'd you go?
Heal me, heal me, heal me.
Okay, and the other thing about this game is that they have these time slots, and sometimes they could be really trifling because they go 3 fast. Not too fast, but 3 fucking fast. Come on, boo. Use that toolbox.
Okay,
I'm not using this yet.
You need to use it on the hook.
Yeah, but this hook is not gonna. Are we all here?
Yeah.
Oh, cool!
I'm walking. We're gonna walk really fast.
Out of my way!
Let's walk.
You know he about to come through.
Oh, girl, he got me, girl.
That's
Oh,
okay
wow.
with us. Let's go this way.
Yup. Don't know her.
I hope he
If you
get
don't
one
hear
of
the
y'all.
heartbeats, it's
No
not
one
near
wants
us.
to
No.
You didn't help me.
help. Shut your mouth.
Facts are facts.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my nephew. Hey.
No, what I'm saying is that why don't we all come down with toolboxes and just destroy all these hooks?
They come back though.
What do you mean they came back?
They come back after like a few minutes.
Who did that? Ooh, ooh, gotta go.
Oh, girl, he's chasing me.
Okay, never mind. I'm gonna stay.
Wait a second.
Oh, girl, he coming.
Block, he's right there. You really did this. Oh,
Oh wow, he really wants
royal.
you.
Oh, he wants royal.
Oh, girl, he got me. If he got who he wanted. Because y'all so trifling. I just want y'all to know.
Get hooked, boo boo. Get hooked. Oh, and you got
I'm about to
hooked
kill
first.
myself. I'm about to kill myself. I'm about to kill myself. I am.
I'm taking the hit. Go.
He wants me. What the heck? Yeah.
Stunned your ass, bitch.
Okay, Royal hide for I could heal you.
I don't want your help. Don't touch me.
Girl, come here.
You were talking shit. I don't want your help.
Oh, too bad.
Get off of me.
Oh no.
Mama gotcha.
You're nothing. You're trash. Yep, you can't pick me up. Oh, he just did shit. Wait a second. Can you pick me up?
I don't. You're still on the floor.
There he goes. Okay,
Get
you
out.
gotta let me go, sir. Don't put me on the same hook with her. That's so disgusting. We're gonna share. I can. Don't you
No.
hold L1? Did he not see you enter that closet?
I know, right?
Did he leave you?
He's like around me.
Oh, baby, I think he knew.
I just messed up on the generator. That's why I asked.
Yup, he on that way, boo boo.
Blanc, I'm gonna need you to
I'm coming. I'm coming. How's
do
it
some quick
hanging?
healing right here. Quick healing. Shut up.
Baby, he coming. Oh, oh, gotta go, gotta go,
Oh
gotta
my
go.
god. Why'd you punch me?
I'm about to finish the generator.
Blanc, you ain't shit for doing that. You
I
ain't
didn't even
shit.
push you. I just boosted out. Girl, I ran.
He's really after me too.
Wait, how many times did you get hooked?
Once. You better stay away from me. Yes. Get away from me.
Oh, girl, I did not know if you when you fixed that.
Oh god, oh god, oh god!
Wow, I'm seeing it. Ooh. Baby, I'm gonna take the hit. I'm gonna take the hit. You just wiggle, boo boo. You just wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle like your mama just gave you.
Now I'm on struggle.
He's gonna be really upset right now. Oh. Hold on,
I'm
Bobo.
too far. Both of you are over there.
Keep it struggling. Keep it struggling. Yeah, I know you see me. Baby, he waiting for me.
Oh no!
Oh, baby.
Also, it's over for everyone.
Oh, baby, he wants me
Laughing at
now.
me.
Oh, baby, I'm wiggling. I'm wiggling, wiggling.
Recover.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow, there's a hook here? Oh, Avatar. Oh, sis.
This is just
Oh, I'm out. I'm out.
Oh my god, Block got free. Wow.
Oh,
Block really got free. He said you're supposed to stay on that hook. Oh, he only has enduring
Royal,
one. I
help
knew he
me.
was trash.
Heal me. Do you love me?
Oh wow! Didn't even
This
give me a
is
chance.
unbelievable.
heard your brother killed your husband. How
Yeah,
did
he
that
did.
feel?
Well, you know, it hurt. It hurt for a while, you know. But then,
Obviously.
yeah, it really did. And then Michael, he went into an insane asylum, so you know.
Didn't
I
he
hope
break
he's
out
doing
of it?
better. I don't know. I hope he doesn't break out because you know I'm ready for him. He can come at me.
Okay.
This killer took
I'll be sure to
quite
give
some
him
time to ready
the
up.
message. I hope you know that I work in that in a insane asylum. So,
Oh yeah, I know. Make sure you send a message. Tell him I said fuck you.
yeah.
Okay, and I
Just
got pigs on
stay
top of
away from
me.
the drugs, honey. I see you in the distance. Oh, he has a hex
It's
that I'm
Freddy.
not here for. Find it. Find
Oh, the
that
killer has a hex.
Yes, he has the one that makes it hard to do the generator.
Well, it's
Okay.
Freddy, so good luck with that. Because
It's
he's
Freddy?
invisible. Yeah, I hear the la-la-las. He's by me, like usual.
Oh god. Okay, so this is gonna be a quick match, cause one, hexes I don't do. We gotta find these totems and we gotta clean them up before we can destroy these hexes. And Freddy is freaking
Well,
invisible.
if you don't mess up on the generator at all, you'll be okay. Sorry to interrupt. Go ahead.
Baby.
But we don't have time to not mess up because the thing is.
Oh,
so
I'm going to
small.
sleep. I'm going to sleep. I don't know who I'm bringing it to. Royal, I'm coming to you.
Why are you trying to bring him to me? Oh wow. Oh wow, you did that.
Okay, no, yep, I'm looking for the totem. I don't care. He boo boo the fool. I'm gonna be running around.
Oh my god.
That's what you
Blanc,
did.
you sat on the hook for a good long time so we can find this totem.
And you think about what you did.
Girl, I know he coming for you because he could see you. Girl, he saw you. He saw you. Well, girl, he on your way. Oh, baby, y'all three far. Y'all looking like polka
He
dots.
got me. He got me. I'm leaving.
Oh.
I can't do this. I'm leaving. Disconnected. She's done. You will
Oh.
not. This is disgusting.
Oh, guys, I am about to die.
Y'all are
Girl.
Where do you get up these stairs? What? Freddy, you better leave me alone. I am not the type of girl to be messed with. I fought Michael, I can fight you.
Oh wow.
Run, Natalie, run.
Stay away from me, Michael. Freddy? Oh! Oh!
Ooh.
He has
Oh,
no
he
one
got
escapes
her.
death. I missed it. Nope.
I
Nope.
know.
I missed it. Nope.
Oh wow.
I got a trophy though. I got a trophy.
Pick it up.
It's called. Oh, I didn't know you get a trophy for disconnecting.
Good.
I just got a trophy. It's called Risk It All. I'm here for it. Risk it all.
I hate Freddy
Oh,
so
okay.
much just because you can't see him.
For real. He's not like he's not like the man that can go invisible.
I mean, you can see the man who's invisible too. The Wraith.
Yeah.
This was like full on invisible.
Oh
There
wow,
you-
he got
there
me.
you go.
He got me. He got me.
Blanc, I'm telling. Okay, what did this killer have? Because he was really good. So he has.
Baby,
wow.
I am giving
he has
up.
Barbecue and Chili 3, Brutal Strength 3.
Oh
He
wow.
had Hex Ruin 3.
Nashley.
He- and he had Thanaphobia 3. Disconnect Blanc.
Ooh baby, he is highly upset.
He's playing with you.
Girl, get that chest. Ooh, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Nap time. Ooh.
You better disconnect. Press start and then triangle.
Confused.
I'm not here for this. That'll be it for this video, cause I get to
That'll be
see
it for this
two sides of this bun. You're having a little bit too much fun there, Royal. So I am completely ending this video because there is no win whatsoever up in here. Homegirl washing dishes. Some are cheating. Others are trying to survive. Well, that would be concluding for this video. Please subscribe, like, and click on that notification button for other future videos between me and my little friends. Yes.
Yeah,
We're
little.
all older than you.
How are we
Boy,
little?
except Alex.
No, I'm the youngest one.
But yeah, there are some freaking good friends of mine. But hopefully you guys stay tuned to the next video. Bye.